Hi alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss Norwegian legal lexicon, essential Norwegian for understanding Norwegian law. The Norwegian legal system, with its roots in the civil law tradition, presents a unique set of terminologies that are integral to understanding its legal framework. For students, legal practitioners, or enthusiasts navigating the interstices of Norwegian law, mastering these terms is crucial. In our discussion today, we will explore essential Norwegian legal terms enriched with example sentences to provide a clearer understanding of the usage and context. Understanding the Norwegian legal system. Norway's legal system is underpinned by its constitution, Grunnloven, 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 and follows a civil law tradition. Knowing the key legal terms is the first step in deciphering the nuances of this system. Key Norwegian legal terms and their usage. Lov, 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 law. In Norwegian, lov, lov, lov signifies law. It is used in reference to both individual legal acts and the general concept of law. For example, Stortinget har vedtatt en ny lov om personvern. Stortinget har vedtatt en ny lov om personvern. Stortinget har vedtatt en ny lov om personvern. The Parliament has passed a new law on data protection. Domstol, 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 court. Domstol, domstol, domstol refers to the courts where the legal cases are adjudicated. For example, saken ble avgjort i Høyesterett, den høyeste domstolen i Norge. Saken ble avgjort i Høyesterett, den høyeste domstolen i Norge. Saken ble avgjort i Høyesterett, den høyeste domstolen i Norge. The case was decided in the Supreme Court, the highest court in Norway. Advokat, 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 lawyer. And advokat, advokat, advokat is a lawyer or attorney, a key player in the legal system. Jeg skal møte min advokat i morgen for å diskutere saken. Jeg skal møte min advokat i morgen for å diskutere saken. Jeg skal møte min advokat i morgen for å diskutere saken. I'm going to meet my lawyer tomorrow to discuss the case. Forvaltningsrett, 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 administrative law. This term encompasses the body of law governing public administration. For example, forvaltningsretten regulerer hvordan offentlige beslutninger fattes. Forvaltningsretten regulerer hvordan offentlige beslutninger fattes. Forvaltningsretten regulerer hvordan offentlige beslutninger fattes. Administrative law regulates how public decisions are made. Strafferett, 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 criminal law. Strafferett, strafferett, strafferett pertains to laws related to criminal offenses and penalties. For example, han ble dømt etter strafferetten for tyveri. Han ble dømt etter strafferetten for tyveri. Han ble dømt etter strafferetten for tyveri. He was convicted under criminal law for theft. Sivilrett, sivilrett, civilrett, civil law. This broad area includes non-criminal legal matters such as contracts and family law. For eksempel, sivilretten omhandler ofte tvister mellom individer. Sivilretten omhandler ofte tvister mellom individer. Sivilretten omhandler ofte tvister mellom individer. Civil law often deals with disputes between individuals. Familiarity with these fundamental terms is a vital aspect of understanding and engaging with the Norwegian legal system, whether one is studying law, practicing it, or simply interested in the legal framework of Norway. This lexicon offers a practical starting point. The journey into Norwegian law is enriched through continuous learning and immersion in both the language and the legal culture it represents. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are offering Norwegian courses at all levels from A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. We offer our classes in Oslo or online. So if you're interested, you can please go to our website, uh, nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no. We now have a referral program. So if you have a friend who wants to learn Norwegian, if you refer a friend, you will get $150, and your friend will also get $100 when your friend starts the courses. So if you're interested in our referral program, you could please go to our website, nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from a beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. Patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You'll get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcasts, and get exclusive perks like member-only chat, transcripts, early access to new content, one-on-one private classes, Discord access, etc., for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website, nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.